Hello and welcome again to Soccer Teacher channel. In this lesson we will complete 2.8 part 3 of find the missing value in percent rule. So it's part 3 of the percent lesson. So today we are going to take like a rule. It will help us to solve and find the percent of a number, or if we have another part or a whole. Let's start with the rule and we will know more about this rule. So this is part 3 of the lesson, and let's take the rule. It's a very important rule that part over whole equals percent over 100. This is very important rule. I will write it in every question that we are going to solve it. Part over whole equals percent over 100. So first question, find the missing value. Number 1, 3% of 100. Any number. Now this one, I know that it's a percent. It's very clear that it's a percent because we have the percent sign. Any number will come after of. This will be whole. It will be a whole number. This is the whole number. After of, it will be a whole number. So let's try write the rule, and we will put the numbers instead of the words. So we have here part over whole equal percent over 100. Let's put the numbers instead of the words. Okay, part. Do we have a part here? No, we don't have a part, so this is the missing value. The whole, we know that after any number after of is the whole number, so I write the 100 here. Okay, percent, this is percent, I write only the 3, and always after under the percent we put 100. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply the numbers that it's opposite each other. So 3 times, and we will divide by 100. So we multiply these two numbers and we divide by the third number. So x equals 3 by 100 over 100. So it will be equals, now the 100 will cancel with the 100, so it is 3. So the part is 3. Okay, question 2, 120% of 100. Same thing here, it's the percent, and any number after of this will be a whole number. So let's write the rule. Part over a whole equals percent over 100. Okay, so do we have the part here? No, we don't have part, so I'm going to put x. What is the whole? The whole is 80, so I'm going to put 80. Now what's the percent? It's 120, and 100 down. Okay, now like what we did in the previous question, I'm going to multiply these two numbers together and then I'll divide by this number. So x equals 80 times 120 over 100. Okay, I will cancel these two zeros with these two zeros, and 12 times 8 is 2 times 8 is 16. 8 times 1, 8, and 1 is 9. Done. So this is the part of the whole. This is the part, oh sorry, this is the part and this is the whole. Why is the part is bigger than the whole? Because this is this percent is more than 100. Question 3. 3 is what percent of 36? So now any number after the of is the whole, and we want to know what percent. So the percent is missing, so what will be this number? This number will be the part, because they ask us to find the percent. So this number, the other number, will be the part. So let's put the rule. Part over a whole equal percent over 100. What's the part? The part is 3, the whole is 36, And the percent, now we don't know the percent. I'll put X here and 100 down. Now, like the other questions, I'm going to multiply these two numbers together and we divide by this number. So X equals 3 times 100 over 36. So X equals, now I can divide the 3 with the 36, so it will be 100 over 12. We can use the calculator to find the answer. 100 divided by 12 equals 8.3. So it's 8.3, but what we want to find is a percent, so I'm going to put here percent sign. Done. Question 4. 23 is 30% of what number? So let's read the question again and let's see what number is what from. Is it part or a whole or a percent? So any number after of is the whole. So what number? Of what number? So I want to know the whole number is the missing number. Of what number? So the whole, any number after of, it will be the whole. So I want to find the whole number. Now this is for sure, it will be the percent. There's a percent sign. So this is the third number, will be for sure the part. So we have the part and the percent, and we want to find the whole number. Let's write the rule. Part over whole equal percent over 100. Part is 23. The whole, we don't know what is the whole, so I'm going to put X. The percent is 30, and here 100. Now what we do, we multiply the opposite numbers. Yes, in the opposite sides, the one down and one up, and we divide by the third number. So it's X equals 23 times 100 over 30. So I can divide this number by this number, so it will be 230 divided by 3. We can do it by the calculator. 230 divided by 3 is equals to 76.6. This is the whole number. Okay, so this is the whole, and this is the part, and this is the percent. Done. Question 5, the last question. What percent is 128 of 32? So what percent? We want to know the percent. Percent will be missing for us. I want to find the percent of 128. Of 128, so this is the whole number, is 32. So the number that after is, it will be the part. So the missing number now is the percent, and we have the whole and we have the part. Let's put the rule. Part over a whole equals percent over 100. So what's the part here? It is 32. The whole is 128. The percent we don't know, so I'm going to put X, and the 100 is here. What I do now? Yes, I multiply these two numbers together and I divide by 128. So X equals 32 times 100 over 128. Now we can do it by the calculator. It's easiest for us. So it will be, first we will do X equals, we multiply 3200 over 128. Now calculator time. 3200 divided by 128 equals 25. So it is 25 what? We want percent, so I'm going to put the percent sign.